Living in the Southeast comes with many perks during the winter, like not having to worry about shoveling snow or ice on the roads. But if you're a farmer, one cold night could ruin your entire livelihood.
We lost 2 months of growing and 2 months of fruiting and 2 months of revenue stream.
Farmer Roy Brown did all he could to protect the plants, but sometimes it's not enough.
We lost power, and we've already wet the berries down, and it went down to about 25 or 20 degrees, and it actually killed the plants.
Thankfully, that was 15 years ago, and to this day he takes each frost advisory seriously.
We watch the temperature very closely, and when it gets down to the range we're concerned about, which is about 34 on frost, then we would activate the system.
Brown says 34 degrees because the air temperature does not have to be freezing.
Frost can still form because the air is the coolest right at the ground. Right now, the current temperature is 35 degrees, and you can still see the frost behind me. Temperature is not the only factor that determines if frost will form. There must be calm winds and a dew point at the surface that's cooler than the air. These are the conditions that worry farmers.
It's detrimental to the flowers, which are berries, about 3 or 4 weeks from now. So I gotta protect those babies.
And to this day, he protects those berries with his sprinklers. As water washes off the frost, heat is returned back to the plants, and Brown knows he's in business for another day.
We did save them this morning, and we'll have fruit in about 2 weeks. Lots of fruit.
On average, frost can develop anytime from the end of November to mid-March. So the next time a cold front blows through, check in with the UF Weather Center to see if frost is in the forecast. From the UF Weather Center, I'm forecaster Danielle Prinz.